Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. This is Lhorsef Lifes, and for today's video is another product review that YesStyle sent to me. And if you don't know about YesStyle, YesStyle is the largest global retail online shop, and they are shipped worldwide. So if you are interested on this video, stay tuned. This video is I'm going to share my simple makeup during this summer. Every time I take my off, since the weather here in Saudi Arabia is very hot, even it's not summer, I always use this product when I go out, the HOLIKA baby cream in the shades of Glow. Yeah, they have 3 shades, and this product have SPF 30 PA++. So this product is also a cruelty free. Yeah. So this is the texture, this is the consistency of the product. So I like the product because it's look natural on my face. So it's hidden my dark spots here, especially here on my chin because I have pimple marks. So I'll only use my palm to blend this cream on my face. It easily absorbs on my face, and see, it's look natural. It's look natural, and the good thing is have this SPF. There's no scent, like it's normal like a foundation. What I like on this BB cream product is easy to blend, and also it does not make your face feel moist or hydrating, and it feels like your face looks natural and shine. Is have this SPF 30 to protect your skin on the sun radicals. And this BB cream is also good for oily skin type. So to lessen the time on this video, I already apply some lines using this drawing eyebrows from Head to Toe. Have this eyebrow pencil and this one, the Spolier, to help to make your own desire in your eyebrows. These eyebrows really helps me to easy to apply my eyebrows line, and also it's look natural because the color is brown. This Spolier helps me a lot. So it's not so creamy, so easy to blend also. It's so soft. So this is my usually eyebrow that I use. And next is I'll be put this Lhosef Collagen Mascara. Yes, as I always say that we need this collagen helps also my eyelashes to grow. And also what I like on this collagen mascara because it supports my eyelashes for clumping, and also it's easy to curl, and it's look more long my eyelashes. See, next is this one, the multi-cube. I'm multi-cube from iMimi. So they have this small mirror here and have 5 shades. So it's very cute and very handy. This one, have number 1, is a rose base. The rose base is you can use this on your daily eyeshadow. This glittery bronze is good to apply if you want to have a wet look on your shadow. And the third one is this nitty brown. I always use this color because it's beautiful and it's neutral, and it really helps you to show the dimension of your eyeshadow, eye shape. Or is this glitter scarlet. It's a combination of gold and red with a glitter. So for me, it's good to use if you are going to work every day because it shows that you look fresh wearing this eyeshadow palette. Lastly is number 5 is the berry red. So this is the brightest color in the palette, and it's a matte red. Yeah, like this, matte red. This palette is also multi-purpose. It's a little patchy as well. So for now, I'm going to use the brown that I always use on my eyeshadow. So it's easy to blend also, and as I've said, it's look natural, everyday look, so it's only light. And what I've liked in this cute palette of ISEHAN, because it's a great for traveling kit, because of this packaging is very handy, easy to work and easy to blend. So this shades is very useful on me because it's look natural and it balance on my complexion. So I will show you some shades of this shadow here. The brown, gold, and the berry. The number 5. See? It's look only natural on my skin complexion. I'm not really use blusher every time I go out, but I put some light colors only. So I use this Hello Kitty dolls. So this one. So I choose the peach color. It's very handy also. It's good for travel and it's easy to retouch every time you use this. So this have with the sponge, cute sponge. So it's already used, and I like the color. So I only put light every time I go outside. Easy to blend and also very pigmented because I already tried this palette, and when I wash my face, it's still there. So I need to use some toner or makeup remover to remove the existing blusher. So that's it only. Simple, but it's look elegant, right? And lastly is this one is the sponsored product from ISEHAN, a Japanese product. So this is my first ever lipstick made in Japan. One is number 6, bright red. It's written in Japanese, so it's Kiss Me Firm. Expiration date is December 2022. I already tried yesterday. So it comes with a brush. So this is my first lipstick that is brush, because I usually use the ball or the roller type. And for this lipsticks, this have this adjustable turner here down. Just the lipstick. See, look this. See this one. This twist but one helps you to prevent dispense the lipstick unintentionally, especially if you put inside the bag. So this one I will apply. I like the color in bright red. It's very pigmented and easy to blend also. See, it's look like elegant, and scent is like a candy. So we don't need to use a brush, already multi-purpose lipstick with brush already. I like the color, shows my lips, and it's brighter my smile. So I like this. So guys, this is my day of look, or my look every time I go out, and it's very simple, and yeah, I can call it like summer look. It's not really more colorful. The good thing is only the lips, it's look shiny and glossy on my lips. So if you are far, they will attract easily by your lips. So I like this output that it look natural, but it's look classy. And guys, please don't forget to follow YesStyle, and just check on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. And if you want to purchase those products, I will put the link on the description box. And of course, you can use my reward code Lhorsef28 for you to avail additional discounts. So guys, that's it for today, and hope you like this video and you watch some of my product review on my playlist. So thank you so much for watching, and again, this is Lhorsef. Keep safe everyone, and God bless you all.